Got this blue picnic table from Facebook Marketplace. Wood, nice and sturdy, 40 bucks. Doing some painting with the kids. They're helping me out. Are you doing a good job, bud? Yeah. So it's going from this, I guess, teal blue, if you will, and we're turning it to understory green.
Get this whenever we want. It's very nice.
It's very nice? I agree. But let's finish it up. This is the backside. For the backside, we weren't going for perfection because it's the backside. When we flip it over and paint the tabletop and the bench, we'll, do a better job. But I think we did a great job. Tell me, guys, what do you think down in the comments? The kids are very helpful.
Take a picture.
Cheese. Okay, I got my other little minion, and we're painting the top side now. We're gonna do a great job, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. She came from a ballet recital performance, and she was so excited. She thought we did the job without her, but we didn't. Not all of it. All right, let's finish up, right, babe?
Yeah.
Right, Matt? Yeah. All right. And that's a wrap. My kids bailed on me. It's like 100 degrees outside. But this is the finished product. We weren't going for 100% perfection. It's a wooden picnic table. 40 bucks. You can't go wrong. And if you're wondering about the missing bench seat, I don't know. That's how it came. 40 bucks. One side is cool. I got a wicker bench that I put on the other side. Or I might just attach a board on that side for another seat. All right, guys. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.